Hello students, I am Dharmendra Pathak. In my previous video, I will describe about work. Any kind of physical activity in which force applied and displacement produced, then it is called work. If displacement produced is in the direction of force, then it is called positive work. When displacement produced is against of force applied, then it is called a negative work. And we also discuss about that when displacement produced is against of frictional force, then work against friction, and when against of gravity, then it is called work against gravity. And also we discuss about energy, different forms of energy. In that we describe about mechanical energy, or the energy possesses in the body due to position of rest or motion is called mechanical energy. And generally object found in two position, either at rest or in motion. When a body is in motion, then energy possesses in it is called kinetic energy. And when object is at rest and the energy possesses due to position of rest is called potential energy. And today we discuss about other more forms of energy, like a second form of energy is class 9 science, heat energy. That heat energy possesses in a body due to its molecular vibration. When all objects are made up of molecules, and the energy possesses in the body due to vibration of molecules is known as heat energy. It gives sensation of warmth, and we define it the form of energy which gives sensation of warmth is called heat energy. And why heat energy present there? It is due to kinetic energy or vibration of molecules. Larger is the vibration or greater is the vibration of molecules, greater is the heat energy. And here we write it is also known as sum of kinetic energy of the molecules present in matter or object is called heat energy. And what are the different sources of heat energy? Sources of heat energy are, and we get heat energy from different objects. These all are called sources of heat energy, like a burning fire, heater, sunlight, other micro oven, etc. These all gives us iron or electric iron. These all are called sources of heat energy. After that, second form of energy is here light energy. Listen. Light is also form of energy which gives us sensation of a vision, or we are unable to see in absence of light. And generally when objects or molecules or atoms present in matter lose electrons, radiate energy, then it may be in the form of heat and light. And here we define it, the form of energy which gives sensation of vision is called light energy. When object radiate energy, then produce light. And different sources of light energy are, or different objects which produce light energy, like the sun gives light energy due to in the form of radiation due to chemical reaction. Other bulb, candle, torch light, firefly, these all objects which produce light are known as sources of light energy. And now we discuss about other form of energy. Fourth is here sound energy. Listen. Sound is also known as form of energy which gives or which provides sensation of hearing, and it is produced due to vibration of object. When object vibrate or comes in motion, and that causes disturbance in medium or air like a solid, liquid and gas takes place. That disturbance causes wave produced. That wave carry energy which is known as sound energy. And here we write the form of energy which gives sensation of hearing is called sound energy. And how it is produced? It is produced due to vibration of object. Which create wave in the medium. That wave contains energy, and different sources of sound energy are like a loudspeaker, musical instrument, animals sound or any kind of object vibrate, then it produce sound. Sound of vehicles, etc. These all are the sources of sound energy. Sound transmit in the form of wave which carry energy, and that energy can be transferred into other form of energy, or also listen here, can be converted into useful work. Fifth number is here chemical energy. Listen, when energy produced due to chemical interaction or chemical reaction of matter, then it is called chemical energy. Several objects produce energy due to chemical reaction. We take food material which get absorbed in the form of chemicals, nutrients in body. At cellular level, oxidation takes place, chemical reaction takes place and produce energy in the body. Other products like petroleum products, kerosene, diesel, petrol, that possesses chemical energy in it. That chemical reaction causes energy produced, heat and light energy produced, and in this way we can write the form of energy produced due to chemical reaction of matter is called chemical energy. Listen, when chemical reaction occurs, then it causes energy produced, and the object which gives chemical energy are called sources of chemical energy. And here different sources of chemical energy. Inside the cell, chemicals are used. That chemicals produce electrical energy. Other we can write food material contains chemical energy. Dry wood contains chemical energy, or firewood also we can write. Other petroleum products having chemical energy. These all gives which type of energy? Petroleum like diesel, coal, kerosene, these all contains chemical energy. Fifth number is here magnetic energy. Listen. Or magnet attract magnetic substance like iron, cobalt and nickel. When these objects are kept in magnetic field, then magnet release energy in the form of electrical energy or other form, then it is called magnetic energy. And here we write the energy obtained from magnet is called magnetic energy. And why magnet possesses magnetic energy? Magnet attract iron denoted by Fe, cobalt, Co, nickel. When these substances kept in magnetic field, then release of electron takes place, and in this way magnetic energy can be utilized by converting it into electrical energy, or brought in magnetic field, then it produce energy, which is called magnetic energy. Listen. And what are the sources here? Sources of magnetic energy are like a generator, dynamo, a speaker, etc. here, or these all objects where we use magnet are source of magnetic energy. Other is here nuclear energy. Nucleus of an atom possesses huge amount of heat energy. When a nucleus of atom broken down or fused, in that condition it produces energy, which is known as nuclear energy. And here we write nuclear energy. Energy obtained from nucleus of an atom. Atom is called nuclear energy. And how nuclear energy obtained? It can be obtained by nuclear reaction. Nuclear energy can be produced by nuclear reaction. And what are the different nuclear reaction? The first is here nuclear fusion reaction. Listen. Or also it is called thermonuclear fusion reaction. In thermonuclear fusion, smaller nuclei fused or mixed gives heavy nucleus. In that condition, energy produced, which is known as nuclear energy. And here we write the nuclear reaction in which a smaller nuclei fuse to give large nucleus is called nuclear fusion reaction. More about the nuclear fusion reaction given in class 10. Here we should know about, like in the sun, 4 hydrogen or 4 hydrogen having atomic number 1, atomic mass 1, that fuse due to high temperature and high pressure change into helium and energy produced. That energy is known as what? Nuclear energy, and obtained by nuclear fusion reaction. Another is here when larger nucleus, heavier nucleus break down, then it is called nuclear fission, or also known as thermonuclear fission reaction. And how it takes place? Listen. when neutron bombarded on heavier nucleus, then break down into a smaller nucleus by releasing energy which is known as nuclear energy. A smaller nuclei means more number of nucleus, and gives energy as, or which is known as thermonuclear fission reaction. Like a neutron bombarded on uranium nucleus, then it is split into barium nucleus, krypton nucleus produced there, other neutron remains, 3 neutron also produced there, and heavy nucleus, listen, and heavy amount of energy produced there. That energy is called nuclear energy. Here also energy is called nuclear energy. That nuclear fission reaction used in nuclear weapon like a missiles, nuclear bomb, and nuclear fusion reaction naturally takes place in sun. More about the other form of energy, transformation of energy, conservation of energy, we discuss in next video. Thank you.